Hi there! In this video, I'm showing you ideas for decorating titles with banners or frames that I'll create using two parallel lines. First, we'll take a look at some quick and minimalist shapes that you can make to any size you want, depending on the length of the header or title. But I only recommend drawing the decoration before the title if the title is short. For a long title or header, I suggest writing it first and then decorating it, as we'll see in the upcoming examples. In this case, I'm using a maroon marker to write the title and draw the decorative boxes. These basic boxes can be left as is if you prefer a simple decoration, but I'll be adding an extra touch to make them more special. Now I'm coloring everything with these three highlighters to personalize the headers even more. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the colored option or black and white. And now I'm also sharing some ideas for decorating the banners we made at the beginning. As you can see, it's super easy to create special and unique decorations just by adding a few small details to a basic decoration. Plus, it's really quick, so you have no excuse not to personalize the titles and headers in your notes. And once again, I color everything to make the titles even more unique. I hope these ideas inspire you to decorate your notes and notebooks. See you later.